Turabashimiye nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika kubw'impanuro muduhaye. Turabizeza ko tuzazubakiraho mu guhindura cyane cyane uburyo bw'imyitwarire n'imikorere yacu. Intore, mumfashe twongeye dushimire nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika. Nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika, mubitwemereye twakwakira ibibazo 4 cyangwa 5. Nkuko nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika,
ariko se byose sinabishubije buriya. But let's try.
Twagira ngo dusabe abafata ijambo kuvuga amazina yabo ndetse banarase ku ntego. Bafite ibibazo bashaka kubaza mu manike. Ubuse hari umuntu yana waba udafite ikibazo cyo kubaza koko? Reka nsabe abafite mikoro badufashe duhere muri runo ruhande.
Mbere yabyo mwavuze ko mwembi harya mukora iki?
Murakoze nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika, ndi Ntore Emeni Yibizi, soje amashuri yisumbuye aho nize plumbing technology. Kugeza ubu
What technology?
Plumbing technology bijyanye n'amazi.
Perfect. Get it.
Nitwa Intore Mwiza Gihana Dorcas. Nkaba mfite bachelor's degree muri marketing and communications.
Yes.
And I am also a project
And
manager.
you speak Spanish?
No, a little bit.
A little bit.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So mwembi mufite akazi murakora?
Yes, sir. Ngenda kora.
Okay.
Sangiye nakazi mfite.
Ugomba kukabona nawe nta mpamvu kataboneka.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Especially birakenewe. Ari no muri defense and security institutions. Do you really not need such a people? Akazi ko ntabwo gashobora kubura. Especially muri yanye niyo technology. How? Uwo agomba kuba hari muri twe hari abarangaye. Okay, but go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Ego rikaduhere kuri runo ruhande.
Thank you, sir.
Try to be to the point, short, so that somebody is...
Yes, sir. Murakoze, nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika, nitwa Niyokwizera Origene, mbarizwa muri Sikoi Platon 3, ndi umunyeshuri muri Kaminuza y'u Rwanda ishami rya Bosco, aho ngeze mu mwaka wa 4 Food Science and Technology. Ese nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika, nk'uwari umuyobozi mukuru mu rugamba rwo kubohora igihugu, nubuhe buryo wakoreshaga kugira ngo ingabo mwari muyoboye zikomeze gutsinda no mu bihe bitari byoroshye kandi ntizicike intege? Ese ubu ngubu bwo ibibazo muhura nabyo bikomeye nubuhe buryo mubasha kubikemuramo? Murakoze cyane.
Ndagiha igisubizo kigufi cyoroshye. Ibyo nababwiraga ibyo byose nta bufindo burimo. There is no magic. You have to have a clear mind. You have to focus. You have to have discipline. You have to understand the problem and find a solution. So kubyo ku rugamba, apart from that, kuko haba hari abantu benshi, ugomba kumenya organization, abantu ubayobora ute, kandi ubuyobozi buba buri ku nzego zitandukanye. uvuga kuyobora urugamba, yes, ariko nta muntu umwe uyobora inzego zose z'urugamba. You get it? Ariko iyo ubishaka, iyo wumva ko ari akazi ugomba gukora, ibindi uragerageza shyiramo imbaraga rwose ukabikora, ndetse wagira amahirwe ukabona ibisubizo biraza. Byaba bitaje, you try again. Ngira ngo amahirwe amwe mu ngorane twagize, burya mu ngorane harimo amahirwe. Some of us had a responsibility, twari dufite inshingano tutashoboraga guhunga kuko ntawe wari kuzisigira. Buri wese yari afite inshingano, ntabwo wavuga rero ngo ibyanjye ndabiretse. It's like you are pushed against the wall, right? And you come out fighting. Otherwise you perish. That's it. So maybe that constraint, that difficulty in the situation primes somebody to think hard and to work hard to find a solution. Iyo atari umuntu umwe rero muri benshi, then icyo gihe bisa n'ibyoroha kuko bikorana n'abandi, ntabwo bikora wenyine. Ariko ugomba kumenya noneho uko akazi gagomba gukorwa karimo abo bantu benshi kugira ngo mugere ku ntego. Icyo kirabisubiza byose.
Thank you, sir. Reka mwongere mumanike turebe n'abandi, tugerageze gusharinga impande zose, reka tujye muri wa ruhande naho turebe.
Tugere vuba, twihute.
Murakoze nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika. Amazina yanjye ni Ruhindura Shema Bruce, nkaba norezwa muri Eco Platoon ya 3, nkaba niga muri AUKA mu ishami rya Networks and Communication. Ikibazo nari mfite Perezida wacu, ese mubohora igihugu niki cyatumye muhitamo izina Inkotanyi, kandi ni gute nkatwe urubyiruko tugakomezanya uwo mutima wo gukotana muri twebwe? Murakoze nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika.
Right. Inkotanyi byo ni Kinyarwanda, kandi hahozeho imitwe y'ingabo ngira ngo bitwaga Inkotanyi kera mu mateka y'u Rwanda, ngo ni igihe cya Rwabugiri. Abantu rero bafashe izina ry'Ikinyarwanda mu mateka y'Ikinyarwanda, byari kugira ngo iryo zina ry'imyaka 100 n'indi yabaye birange igikorwa turimo n'uyu munsi. Nta yindi mpamvu, ariko ntabwo ari izina gusa, bifite na message irimo nyine wari uvuze byo gukotana. Ibyo byose twavugaga, ibyo nababwiraga ni uguhangana n'ibibazo, ku buryo niyo bigeze ku rugamba nyine nabyo birakorwa.
Thank you, sir. Abandi mumanike tujye muri iki gihande nawe.
Thank you very much. My name is Kalinda Linda Mala, and I'm from D Company Platoon 1. I wanted to, while visiting the museum, Kumurindi Wintwari.
I'm not
and-
sure, there's some kind of, I'm not sure I'm getting it clearly. Are you here?
Oh, I'm right here.
Yeah, try to put your
Yes,
microphone
please. Is this
closer.
clearer?
And louder, huh?
Yes, please. So while visiting the museum, Kumurindi Wintwari, and following the history of the Liberation War, I was left perplexed. When you were our age, Rwanda was different compared to what it is now. You grew up abroad, your family had to flee the country. You went to school outside Rwanda, and you would have been perfectly successful without ever returning to Rwanda. It was so easy for you to turn your back on this country. So I just wanted to know what kept you anchored to a country that had essentially turned its back on you, and what drove your love for this country to the point of giving up your everything and risking your life for it.
Yeah. If your country turned your back on you, the country turns its back on you, you wouldn't want to turn your back on the country. Again, I said it's a question of choice. You know, there are two kinds of people, always, anywhere, anytime. When there is a serious problem, like the country faced, there are people who are going to not even give it a shot. They will just cut and run and give up because something is difficult or it affects them in a certain way. So they may run away and go somewhere else. That's one group of people. The other will stand and fight and give it a try. They wouldn't. So there are many, the situation is like that. I just happened to be on that side where I wasn't, like many others, I wasn't going to run away. Run away to where? To do what? To be what? I mean, run away and continue. By the way, even those who run away, have you seen of late? Those who have run away for a long time to different, the rich countries, they run away too and they abandon their poor countries. Are you looking at what is happening? They are returning them at a terrific speed. It's like they tell them, you don't belong here. Especially if you have, like mine. They really. So, but some may want to stay and keep hiding and doing this, and oh well, good for them. I don't think everybody would want to act like that. So you want to give it a shot to try and live in your country and contribute to making it the country you want it to be. All that resides in the minds of people, what choice you make. There's no question about it. As I said, there is no magic, there is nothing. It's just you. You have to make up your mind and decide what you want to do. And what you want to do may also reflect what you want to be. I don't think ever I would, or others would have made the choice to stay as refugees, as stateless, as You know, well, there are people, I mean, as you said, people could have, and some stayed and did well in their lives. Some were wealthy, others were all kinds of good things. If they choose to do that, there's nothing I can do about it. But that's not my choice. I think many of you, it wouldn't be your choice. Right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Reka twakire ikibazo cyangwa se igitekerezo cya nyuma. Tekereza ku ruhande tutabajijemo arwo hakurya hariya. Afite mic bafashe.
Thank you, sir. Your Excellency, my name is Inez Akelia. I'm a member of Golf Company Platoon 2. I recently graduated high school from Green Hills Academy, and I'm looking forward to pursue a bachelor's degree with financial mathematics and economy. Your Excellency, looking at how the current geopolitics are affecting almost all countries, economic-wise, security-wise, and in other aspects, will the world be safe, or is the world heading to a state of jungle rule where it will be survival of the fittest? And will Rwanda be safe? Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm. Well, mobilizing you to be part of this and from here to be part of national building is about trying to secure Rwanda. Rwanda should be safe, and will be safe because of you, depending on how you come out and fulfill your obligations, how you build yourselves, how you fulfill those obligations to your country. Surely Rwanda will be safe, and safe in the context of the global situation. Now, for the geopolitics and stuff, the world maybe has never been safe. It's a question of degree. 20 years ago, or 30 years ago, globally there was security. But there was no security for me. You know that? Yes, there was no security here. That's about the time we lost our people. Then there are other corners of the continent or the world where things were not safe. So global security has become an issue of what degree is the world safe, a safe place. So currently, you can see lack of global security is on the rise. Maybe to reach a point and the plateau and then start again being better than we have known it. But since we don't have, even as a country, Rwanda, we don't have any possibility to make huge contributions to securing the world. It is a safer bet to secure our world, our Rwanda world. First and foremost, let's secure it. as much as we can from internal as well as external factors and actors that may affect it. Otherwise, yeah, when you look at it, the world today is not entirely a safe place. You look, I mean, these are things you see on television. They are not things you have to scratch and research, and except if you want it for academic purposes, you may go into those details, but otherwise, what even you see in the open suggests that global security is not what people would want it to be. So we can secure our place where we are responsible and maybe make a contribution to and with others. Yeah, but that's it. It's a drop in the ocean, maybe. Because you even see the global institutions normally that are supposed to guide the international system, the international law, or international whatever. The institutions are really, in a sense, powerless. Somehow they don't deliver the goods as they used to way back. Even then, they are not delivering that sufficiently. What we have today is something that has been building up from across the world over many years. People who are analytical and followed the global daily events, some of them could have said, well, maybe 15 years ago or 20 years ago could have said, but this world is headed in the wrong place. But the majority, I think, might have not seen it coming. So there we are. Let's take cover together and hold each other and do what we can do for ourselves. Maybe the hurricane will come to pass and destroy so much, maybe kill some of us, but others should survive to go on with their lives and the future of this country. Isn't it? Mm-hmm. Are we done or something else? Or whoever else you want? Somebody who urgently may have one or two, and then we close.